Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel. Coming at you with a cold start walk around condition video. We got a super cool truck. Before we get into it, we are downtown Kansas City, Missouri in the West Bottoms. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. We've got a stellar lineup of pickup trucks coming at you this year. Starting it off right, we got an 05 F350 1-ton XLT Sport, screaming yellow, two-tone black, some big wheels on it. It is a California truck, one owner, no rust, and it's cold. We're about to get 14 inches of snow in Kansas City, very 1st of February here, so I'm gonna hop up in this truck and we'll get on this cold start. As you can see, it's starting to rain a little bit too, just starting to sprinkle, so hopefully we get through this video. Hopefully I got some keys too. Maybe I left them in the back seat here. Well, they didn't get far. All right, we got them. They were hiding in my camera bag. It's cold out. Like I said, it's starting to rain. They're telling us we're getting 10 to 14 inches of snow tonight. But back to this truck. The miles are fantastic. 241. One owner out of North Hollywood, California. Clean and clear California title in hand. 100,000 miles. Now, on top of it being an XLT Sport in screaming yellow, which was special order only, it got the black leather with the carbon fiber trim. This is a sweet, super rare truck. It's almost like an Amarillo. You know, it doesn't have the badges or the cluster, but it also doesn't have all that god-awful chrome on the door, so I like it a lot. Let's start it up. Trans is warm, motor's cold, same as it usually is. Truck fires right up. We serviced it fully. It got an oil cooler, has an EGR delete. Other than that, it is bone stock. Only 100,000 miles, runs fantastic. No check engine lights, no weird issues. We put a full front suspension, ball joints, tire rods, drag link, alignment, 3-inch level kit, wheels and tires. We did it all up front. Outside of that, some Harley headlights, some tail lights, some window tint. That's it. So it is sitting pretty. It is one of the nicest trucks you will find, hands down. Now, keep in mind, it's an 05, so it's still 17 years old, but the condition is fantastic for 17 years old. California really preserves these trucks. No sunroof, black leather, 6-disc, hot heat, cold AC, trailer brakes, 4-wheel drive, cruise control, power windows, locks, mirrors, seats, pretty much everything. Really nice truck, guys. I don't have a lot of bad to say about the interior. Now, it's a California truck, so while we have no rust and a beautiful chassis, the thing California trucks are known for is sun fade. And this truck, see, this plastic's kind of faded. This one isn't. None of that is. That one is. You're going to see some fading, and I'm going to try to my best to point it out to you. We are getting some rain, so we're going to do our best to get out in this water and show you the good, the bad, the ugly. And I'm going to pop the hood last. I have people dropping comments saying they like to see the blow by warm. You guys like to see me start them cold, so I try to do my best. So let's get out, look over the body, go over the condition, and then we'll pop the hood and wrap it up. So back out into the cold. This truck is in phenomenal condition though. No rips or tears in the leather. There's your VIN info if you want to pause it and get all the specs on the truck. I'm going to pop the hood. Start there. Like I said, bone stock, stock exhaust, EGR delete, and a new oil cooler is all I can tell you about this truck. Good coolant. It's really nice. It feels and runs and drives like a 100,000-mile rig. Absolutely no blow-by whatsoever. Oh, I said I was going to do that last. You know what? We'll check it twice. We'll do it cold and warm. Try to give you guys what you want. A little dirty under the hood. We don't clean them up very much. So obviously this black section's a repaint. This truck was all yellow. The top quarter's been repainted black. It looks nice. It's not perfect, but I mean, from here you can tell it looks phenomenal. We put a black emblem on the grill there. Got a little sun fade on the top. Any panel that faces up in Cali gets sun cooked. So see above my finger there how it's kind of lighter? There's spots of that throughout. Any of the panels that face sideways are usually good. It's got a tiny little crease dent there, you can see it. It's got a Missouri inspection that's current. Like I said, it's got a 3-inch leveling kit, which is just this puck spacer right here. We got a 20x12 Ion 141 black and gloss milled. And we got a 35 1250 20 LT 10 ply 40,000 mile warranty brand new tire on the brand new wheels. So 35s, 20x12, brand new wheel and tire setup. That's almost a $3,000 wheel and tire setup. Factory chrome oval style running boards. I'll show you the cab corners, but they're perfect. This truck is nice. Let's just look at the frame so I can show you. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's got the fold down center seat here. This black leather's in great condition. It's a little faded from the sun, but nothing crazy. A little dirty. But as you can tell from the rust, non-existent on this truck. It's got a smoked third brake we threw on there. It is an FX4 off-road package. Parking sensors in the rear. We upgraded some brand new LED tail lights that look nice, super bright. It's got, look at this factory trailer hitch. That's the OEM sticker. I mean, that looks like it's brand new. I don't even have words for that. That sticker has never even been legible on one of these trucks that I've ever bought. I'm digging this black two-tone though. It's like got a rumblebee look. As you can tell, the plastics a little faded. Like I said, everything facing upwards. Expect a little bit of sun fade damage. I mean, it's got normal little nicks and scratches. They're pretty tiny. I'm trying to go out of my way to point them out. Another good thing, it's a one-ton long bed, but it's never had a hitch. There is no sign of a gooseneck ball or a fifth wheel hitch in the bed of this truck. And it has a spray-in bed liner that looks brand freaking new. That is nice. Guys, this truck is sick. I mean, it is as clean as it gets for 17 years old. Here's a little scuff. I bet you we can wet sand some of that out too. There's a little bit of paint on there. As you can see, it's pretty minor in the grand poomba of things, but just trying to show you. Stock exhaust. I mean, this truck was stock. Never tuned, never exhaust, never chip, nothing. Oh, the heat feels great. Probably didn't get used much in North Hollywood. Guys, all in all, there's no rips or tears. The leather interior's in great shape. Normal stress for 17 years old, like these little stress marks, but they're not tears. Carpet's in great shape. Wonderful shape, actually. Seat belts for 5 people up here. And it's an XLT Sport, so if you follow the page, black leather. It's supposed to have painted bumpers, but it has chrome bumpers. I've never seen that. I've also never seen a screaming yellow XLT Sport, but here it is, rust-free, trimmed out, done up, fully serviced. Just spent like $6 grand on this truck to get it perfect. 816diesel.com. Head on over to the website. You're gonna find VIN number, pictures, pricing, everything I've talked about today, you're gonna find on that website. And I got a bunch of good pictures before this rain started. You see it's dry underneath, so head on over there now, guys. Hit the contact info. That is me, Cameron. You can call or text me. 913-735-3748 is my cell. Call or text. Let me know if you got any questions. The truck is gonna go quick, guys. We're selling them super fast. The King Ranch Fummin sold in 3 days. 100,000 mile California truck is super desirable. So I do not expect this to sit around long. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Again, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. We love to hear your feedback. Do you like the trucks? Do you hate them? Drop us a comment. Let me know what you think. And keep your eyes open. We got some cool ones coming up. But thanks for your time as always. And I hope you guys are staying warm. We're going to get some snow tonight, so wish us luck.